in virtually straight away, powering the Typhoon from the slow speed straight into a half cube at 8. Probably round about midfield. I didn't see the display yesterday. That is a remarkable sight. Look at that. Classic silhouette now of this Typhoon. Slammed to idle at the end to break away from us. Back at the end of that high-speed run, powered by the two EJ200 advanced technical turbofans. You can see the size of the beast, the agility of the beast. It is truly remarkable, this very new aircraft. In service now with the Royal Air Force.
Oh no, it's
coming back, slow speed, he's done the high speed, slow speed back towards us, very, very high nose attitude, coming back to around about 110 miles an hour, just sitting there, just on the Rolls-Royce EJ200s.